Let's open them.
Yeah! First we are open.
Yellow, which one do we open first?
Open this one. Let's open this one.
I want this one. Wait.
Let's open this one. Poppy, take one.
Good one. Wait.
Poppy, what do you want to?
Gotta find my take one thing.
Pick one.
Pick one.
So
we have rocket ball. We have trolls snack.
What the heck? Where did Thomas shit?
Thomas today is there.
Yeah, he's our best friend. Thomas, stay here.
Let's open this one. Yeah, let me open it.
Let's see what's going on.
What do you want? What kind of? Yeah, blue. This bunny. Chocolate bunny. We have three kinds. We have watermelon. We have cherry. We have green apple. My turn. Let's taste one. يلا كل واحد ياخذ واحد.
I want the cherry.
Yummy, this lollipop tastes good. شو عندك؟ أنا عندي watermelon. Now what's inside?
Big Mouse! Let's eat it!
Mickey Mouse eraser.
Let's eat
Yeah.
it! Let's eat it!
No, don't eat it.
Look, this one! I take this one! Take this one!
Yeah, do I take one?
I take
I don't want
one!
to book.
Let's open it. Good. I have the Kinder Egg for girls.
I got Ninja Time.
I have Jake and the Neverland Pirate.
Let me three.
I take one queen! I take eight, choose the egg! Whoa! Later! I tried
Papa, open.
Oh. I got Jake.
Open the meter!
Yeah, open it up.
Open the meter! Open the meter! Open the meter!
You open this one. I need a queen. Look, who want to open animal?
Uncle Yusuf. Open. Tom and Jerry gummy bears. Yeah, let's open.
Mario. Super Mario. Guys, you love
Yellow
Mario?
open.
Give me the Bowser, you love Mario.
He's a flying baby.
Bud, get out of here. Bud, get out of here.
Yeah, come on, I'll take one.
I'll get this.
Open it. Look at him, look at it. Just take it out. Do you want to open it? Here you go.
Let's open this one. No, Mario.
Open this one. Oh, look up. Look.
Let's open this one.
Open it.
No, I know.
Let's open Frozen.
Let's open Frozen.
You hate it. It's bad. It's bad, this one.
What?
It's really bad.
And we have M&M's light. And we have McQueen. Yummy!
Chocolate.
Let's open it up. Let's taste it.
Wait. What is that? Really that this one.
Color pink. Color purple.
Which color blue? I want green.
Yes. We have McQueen.
This one.
Super Mario.
Super Mario, my favorite Mario. I will get Mario. I want. How many do you want? Come on. No, I want Mario. We got. Yes, with Mario.
Let's open. Let's open Trolls.
This room.
What's this color?
Guys, we got 3 jobs.
What's this color? We open this one.
Not.
This color's blue.
Give me one.
Let's eat the candy. Ahmed, taste it.
It's good.
Taste it. Here you go. Taste it.
It's good.
Tastes good.
They look good.
Tastes sour.
I will get my new queen, so try one.
Let's open M&M's. Yeah, let me open. Oh no. Here you go. We have a box full of M&M's. Let's open the box up. Wow! We have M&M's.
What?
Kinderlight. I think it's a gun.
Yeah, what your favorite ice cream? Your favorite this one? Comment on what your favorite. Favorite? No.
Tell us what is your favorite ice cream.
Yeah. Have this one bag. Have this one bag. Have this one bag.
Yeah, let's do the one thing. Let's on the headshot. And wake up. Let's do the wake up with the flip challenge.
Get away. No.
My show. Give me.